Building chest muscle fast as a skinny guy can feel impossible, right? You hit the gym, push through the workouts, and yet nothing. No growth, no size, just frustration. But here's the truth. It's not your genetics and it's not your age. It's your approach. The good news, you can fix it, and I'm about to show you how. The first thing we need to address is the biggest mistake most skinny guys make when trying to build a bigger chest: focusing too much on isolation exercises. You've probably been doing endless dumbbell flies or light cable crossovers, hoping to carve out that thick, muscular look. But here's the problem. If you don't have a solid foundation, those moves won't do much. Instead, you need to focus on compound movements that recruit multiple muscle groups. Think of your chest like a house. You can't decorate the interior before building a strong frame. That's why you need to prioritize heavy pressing movements like the bench press, incline press, and dips. These exercises activate not just your chest, but also your shoulders and triceps, forcing your body to adapt and grow. And no, you don't have to lift like a bodybuilder. Just focus on progressive overload, meaning gradually increasing the weight over time. And here's something most people won't tell you. Your joints need to keep up with your muscle gains. That's where Flexomore comes in. It's a game changer for joint support, helping you lift heavier without feeling stiff or sore. If you've ever skipped workouts because of aches and pains, you need to check it out. The link's in the description. Now let's talk about form, because I see way too many skinny guys wasting their time with bad technique. If your bench press feels more like a shoulder workout than a chest workout, you're doing it wrong. The trick? Retract your shoulder blades, keep your elbows at about a 45-degree angle, and lower the bar slowly. Feel the stretch in your chest before pressing up. That stretch is what activates the muscle fibers and triggers growth. But lifting alone won't cut it. If you're not eating enough, your chest will never grow, period. A lot of skinny guys think they eat a lot, but when they actually track their calories, they're way under what they need. If you're not seeing results, it's time to eat like you mean it. Focus on protein-rich foods like chicken, eggs, and lean beef. And don't fear healthy fats. Avocados, nuts, and olive oil help your body absorb nutrients and fuel muscle growth. Quick question for you. What's your biggest struggle when it comes to building muscle? Is it your diet, your workouts, or something else? Drop a comment below because I want to help you fix it. And while you're here, smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on more muscle building tips. If you've been struggling to add size, don't worry. We're just getting started. And by the time we're done, you'll have everything you need to build a massive chest. So now that you know the foundation for building a bigger chest, compound exercises, proper form, and eating enough, let's take things to the next level. Because here's the thing. It's not just about what you do in the gym. It's about how you do it. And if you want to build chest muscle fast, you need to train smarter, not just harder. One major mistake that holds skinny guys back is not training their chest frequently enough. You can't just hit it once a week and expect it to grow. Your chest needs constant stimulation. The best approach? Train it at least twice a week. Studies show that hitting a muscle group multiple times per week leads to faster growth than the old-school bro split method of training a muscle once a week. Here's a simple setup that works. Day 1. Heavy chest training with compound movements: bench press, incline press, and weighted dips. Day 4. Lighter, high-rep chest workout focusing on volume: push-ups, dumbbell flies, and cable crossovers. This approach keeps your chest engaged throughout the week, forcing it to grow while giving your joints enough time to recover. Speaking of joints, if you're starting to feel any discomfort, especially in your shoulders or elbows, it's probably because you're not taking care of them. That's why I recommend Flexomore. It keeps your joints pain-free so you can lift heavier without worrying about injuries. The link's in the description, so check it out. Now let's talk about a muscle-building secret most people ignore: time under tension. If you're just lifting and dropping the weight without control, you're missing out on massive growth potential. Instead, slow down your reps. Lower the weight for at least 3 to 4 seconds before pressing up. This forces your chest muscles to work harder, leading to faster muscle gains. Try it on your next bench press session. You'll feel the difference immediately. And let's not forget one of the most underrated exercises for chest growth: weighted dips. If you're only doing bench press and push-ups, you're missing out. Dips hit the lower chest and help carve out that full muscular look. If bodyweight dips are too easy, start adding a weighted belt or hold a dumbbell between your legs. You'll see faster gains, guaranteed. By the way, what's your favorite chest exercise? Drop a comment below. I want to know what's working for you. And if you're serious about transforming your body, hit that like button so YouTube knows to show you more of these tips. We're not done yet. There's still one more key piece to building a bigger chest that most guys completely overlook. Stick around because this last part is going to tie everything together. Now that you've got the training intensity, frequency, and proper form dialed in, let's talk about the missing piece: recovery. Because here's the truth. Your muscles don't grow in the gym. They grow when you rest. If you're not recovering properly, you're sabotaging all your hard work. One of the biggest mistakes skinny guys make is overtraining. You might think that hitting your chest every single day will get you results faster, but that's actually counterproductive. Your muscles need at least 48 hours to recover before you train them again. Without proper rest, your body doesn't have time to repair and grow new muscle fibers. That means all those extra push-ups you're doing, they might actually be holding you back. And let's talk about sleep, the ultimate muscle-building hack. If you're only getting 5 to 6 hours a night, you're killing your gains. Your body releases the most growth hormone when you sleep, which is essential for muscle repair and growth. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep every night. If you struggle with joint discomfort that keeps you up, Flexomore can help. It keeps your joints feeling strong and pain-free so you can recover faster and lift heavier. Check the link in the description if you haven't already. Now, let's get into another game changer, progressive overload. If you're lifting the same weight for weeks and months, your muscles have no reason to grow. You need to challenge them constantly by either increasing weight, adding more reps, or slowing down your reps to increase time under tension. Here's a simple rule. Every week, aim to improve. If you benched 135 pounds for 8 reps last week, push for 9 or 10 reps this week. Small improvements lead to massive results over time. Another secret? Mind-muscle connection. Don't just push the weight. Feel your chest working. Squeeze your pecs at the top of every rep. A lot of guys let their shoulders and triceps take over without even realizing it. Next time you train, focus on engaging your chest with every single rep. This simple shift will skyrocket your gains. By the way, if you've made it this far, drop a comment with "I'm ready to grow," so I know you're serious about this. And if you found even one helpful tip in this video, hit that like button. It really helps. Alright, let's wrap this up. If you apply everything we've covered, training with intensity, eating enough, prioritizing recovery, and constantly progressing, you will build a bigger chest, no matter how skinny you are. The key is consistency. It won't happen overnight, but if you stay committed, your results will shock you. And if you want to keep training pain-free, don't forget to check out Flexomore in the description. It's a game changer for joint health, and trust me, when you start lifting heavier, you'll be glad you have it. Make sure to subscribe for more muscle-building tips, and let me know in the comments. What's the biggest struggle you've faced when trying to build muscle? Let's talk about it. See you in the next video.